Tired of wasting hours scrubbing your pool? What if you could reclaim your summer while a robot does the dirty work? Today, we're counting down the top 5 robotic pool cleaners that'll turn back-breaking labor into effortless luxury. From smart navigation to cordless freedom, these bots are game changers. Ready to dive into a crystal clear pool without lifting a finger? Let's roll! Number 1, BeatBot AquaSense 2 is a game changer for pool owners who crave hands-off maintenance. This cordless marvel boasts auto surface parking and one-click app parking, meaning it effortlessly docks above the water when needed or at low battery. With its signature smart drain, water is automatically released for easy retrieval. Experience superior cleaning with its double-pass waterline scrubbing, ensuring grime and buildup vanish with every sweep. Advanced CleverNav navigation, powered by a 4-core CPU and 16 sensors, optimizes cleaning paths on both floors and walls, covering up to 3,230 square feet of your pool area. Wireless charging in just 4 hours and a robust 10,000 mAh coating, and backed by a 3-year comprehensive replacement plan, the AquaSense 2 is engineered for durability and pristine pool perfection. Number 2. The Robotic C1 delivers powerhouse performance with unmatched suction and intelligent cleaning dynamics. Designed for in-ground pools up to 1,614 square feet, it features an upgraded independent water pump motor that hits a maximum filtration rate of 2,642 gallons per hour. Dual PVC brushes firmly grip and attack debris, leaving your pool floor, walls, and waterline sparkling clean. Its versatile cleaning modes automatically start with wall scrubbing, before transitioning to a deep floor clean, ensuring comprehensive coverage. Boasting an extended runtime of up to 150 minutes with rapid charging in just 3 hours, this robotic cleaner is perfect for busy pool owners. Intelligent navigation leverages precise positioning and an N-shaped path to maximize cleaning efficiency, while its easy filter cleaning system makes maintenance a breeze. Experience a refreshing, crystal-clear pool with the Robotic C1's powerful, dependable performance. Number 3. Dive into innovation with the Scuba S1, a robotic pool cleaner designed for ultimate versatility. This device harnesses powerful suction and dynamic scrubbing capabilities to target every inch of your pool, from the floor to walls and the stubborn waterline. Its generously sized filter basket captures both large debris and fine particles, delivering crystal clear water every time. Upgraded WavePath Navigation 2.0 smartly maps your pool, minimizing overlaps and optimizing cleaning routes for efficiency. Durable caterpillar treads ensure superior mobility over uneven surfaces, tackling drains, steps, and corners with ease. With 4 distinct cleaning modes, auto, eco, floor only, wall only, the Scuba S1 adapts to your pool's unique needs. Plus, with a reassuring 2-year product protection, this cleaner offers peace of mind alongside top-tier performance for in-ground pools up to 1,600 square feet. Number 4. Venture beyond traditional floor vacuums with the Dolphin Nautilus CC+, a dedicated pool cleaning robot that redefines aquatic maintenance. Engineered for in-ground pools up to 50 feet, this device tackles floor debris and lower wall grime with a powerful wall-climbing scrubber brush. Its integrated Wi-Fi connectivity means you can schedule sessions remotely, ensuring your pool stays inviting without manual intervention. The Nautilus CC Plus features a 60-foot anti-tangle swivel cable for uninterrupted cleaning and a simple plug-and-play setup that gets your pool sparkling within hours. While it excels on floors, its focused design means it's optimized for the lower surfaces rather than the waterline, making it ideal for those who prioritize hassle-free pool floor cleaning. Experience dependable performance that brings over 40 years of Dolphin legacy to every swim. Number 5. The 2025 upgrade of the Robotic C1 sets a new benchmark in pool cleaning excellence. Built for in-ground pools up to 65 feet in length, this cordless powerhouse features an upgraded water pump motor, achieving 2,642 gallons per hour for thorough debris filtration. Its intelligent path planning combines an S-shaped floor cleaning pattern with a specialized wall climbing route, ensuring every surface is meticulously cleaned. Advanced sensors and gyroscopes deliver precise mapping for maximum coverage and fewer missed spots. Enjoy a runtime of 120 to 150 minutes and rapid recharging in about 3 hours, making it perfect for larger pools. The larger top-loading filters simplify maintenance, while the robust design and innovative navigation technology guarantee a consistently sparkling pool. With effortless filter cleaning and smart performance, this upgraded Ybot C1 is the ultimate choice for pool owners who demand efficiency and quality. Check out the product links in the description below to upgrade your pool cleaning game today.